Good afternoon, teachers and friends. My name is Sufo, and I'm going to talk about breaking away from stereotype leads to a better self and community. Stereotype means oversimplified words to describe a person, and my theme is relationship, which means the connection between the two people. So I'm going to talk about the character in the Demon Headmaster. As we know, Diana Glass is the child that adopted by Mrs. Hunter and Mr. Hunter. So Lloyd and Harvey is her brother. I think Diana being adopted because of Miss Well-Before can't handle this, because I think that Miss Well-Before also have her work to do. I've seen a video that is about the High School Musical. There's a lot of difference between the Demon Headmaster and the High School Musical if I compare them. In the High School Musical, the students are very playful and naughty. They like to share their feelings to each other. But in the Demon Headmaster, the student actions are strange. They are too well behaved, just like robots, and they don't talk when the teachers or headmaster don't want they talk. Even in break time, they also been very quiet. And the headmaster always hypnotize his student because he wants all the students listen to him, his instruction. He also hypnotized Dinah, but Dinah always closed her eyes, tried to not fall asleep. The headmaster also tried to hypnotize the whole world, but it always stopped by Dinah. I have been in this school for 1.5 years. My English skills also improve a lot because before I came to this school, I was in the government school, but I did not improve by studying in that school, so I changed to this school. I think our school is different from the Demon Headmaster because the students in our school are very playful. But some of them in DP or grade 10 and 11 are very quiet, just like the student in the Demon Headmaster. Still, there are more students in our school are like the student in the High School Musical, noisy and naughty. However, this talk is about two different schools. The Demon Headmaster, which is British school, and the High School Musical is an American school. It's different in the way that they teach, and the stereotype for the Demon Headmaster are strict, too well behaved that becomes strange. For High School Musical are naughty, noisy and playful. So this is my TED Talk. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.